Hi guys, Tam here from Art Tree Creations, and I'm going to go through with you on how to produce a really simple, easy artwork using only 3 colours. We've used 3 of the Art Tree Creations pigment ranges today. We've got the H2O Stormy Night, which is my ultimate favourite blue go-to colour. We have the Epoxy Paste Iceland White, and then we've also used an Art Spectrum pigmented ink turquoise. So we've chosen these 3 pigments. The ink is transparent, so this is going to create depth in your piece. You've got your Iceland White as well, which is a more solid and opaque colour, and then a Stormy Night, which is a deep dark blue. We've applied the Stormy Night down first, and then over the Stormy Night we've applied the transparent turquoise Art Spectrum ink. Using the Iceland White, we've applied that down, dragging through with a pop stick, which will give you a thinned out pigment line. This will also help creating cells. We've then applied it by pouring the white directly on. We've applied some clear over the top, and then more white. This helps by creating cell work along the top as the white stretches out, and some significant depth in your piece where the transparent turquoise flows over onto the white and over the top of the Stormy Night blue. So there you can see a really beautiful artwork piece that is just simple to do and to achieve. You don't need a lot of products when doing your art, and sometimes just keeping it simple, 3 products, makes it easy for everyone. Make sure if you've enjoyed this clip, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below, and we'll see you next time.